Hello everyone. In this video, let's solve one JE Advanced previous year question. So let's start solving the question. So they have given benzene, right? It is a simply phenol formation, phenol preparation. It is simply phenol preparation from cumin. So let's see step by step over here. First, they have given this benzene and this propyl chloride, right? In the presence of AlCl3. This is after just seeing, you'll get to know this reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, right? I'm just giving the name of that particular reaction. We will solve further, like in detail with mechanism. So now let's try to solve this over here. So first they have given this benzene, right? And then this propyl chloride CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl in the presence of AlCl3. As we know that in Friedel-Crafts alkylation there will be formation of carbocation takes place first. Carbocation formation takes place, and then if there any possibility of inter and then there will be a possibility of carbocation rearrangement, so rearrangement also takes place. So if you have primary carbocation and if there is a chance of getting secondary carbocation, then at that time we will do rearrangement. So let's see over here. Just remove this and there will be formation of carbocation takes place on this carbon, right? And we'll get CH3 CH2 CH2 positive. After you can see over here it is primary carbocation, right? And there is a possibility of getting secondary carbocation. If you do 1 to hydride shift, then we the will get the secondary carbocation. Here one hydrogen is there, right? So just shift that hydrogen. This is 1 to hydride shift. 1 to hydride shift takes place, and then we will get here. Here we'll get CH3 CH positive charge comes onto the secondary carbon CH3. Now these two will react. So let's see those in another slide. So what we have got, we have this benzene, and I'm just writing like this. So we have this carbocation, right? So now just simply it will attack on this, and we will get here, it will get like this, and here we'll get positive charge. Here this hydrogen will be there, right? So it loses its aromaticity at the starting, and then it regain its aromaticity because aromatic is more stable, right? So yeah, let let me write it over here again. So finally we have got this is the cumin. We can also write it like this is the cumin, right? Or else we can also call it as isopropyl benzene. This is iso group, right? This one. So this is isopropyl benzene. You can also call it as like this. This is the common name, cumin. So let's check the options once. They have asked P only, right, over here. So P product P will be cumin. So we can eliminate these two options. So let's check for Q. And if you know this preparation, you can directly get the answer. For Q will be acetone. As we know that in this phenol preparation from cumin, we will get acetone and phenol. So we can, you can directly tick mark this answer, but let's see how that one. I'll explain you that also. So here we have got cumin, right? Now we are doing oxidation O2 in the presence of heat. We are doing oxidation over here. So this process will take place through free radical mechanism. So first here we have an hydrogen, so it will form free radical first, and then this O2 also will be like this. This bond will be cleaved, and here we'll get free radical, and then we'll get this type of one, right? And these two form one bond. Finally we'll get this. I'll tell you the short trick to write this easily. What we'll get over here, so we'll get this O and here radical, and in the presence of water it will abstract one of the hydrogen and it will form this OH. This is the intermediate, and the name of this one is cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. So yeah, this is the name for this compound. And further, let's see here, rearrangement takes place. So what we have got, this is cumin hydroperoxide we have got, right? OOH. So now in the presence of water or H plus, let me change the color. Here in the presence of water, this O, it will get protonated. It will give lone pairs to this and it will get protonated. Then we will get, so let's write, we have got this O H2 positive. Let me write over here like this. So or else so we have got this. Now rearrangement takes place over here. This phenyl group, this phenyl group will shift towards, in the presence of, like we have two methyl groups and phenyl. Here phenyl shift takes place. Phenyl shift. Like we have discussed hydrate shift, right? So it will come here and this water will be removed. Then we will get the compound something like this. Let me write it over here. We will get, let me write this group, this benzene ring as pH, and here we'll get this O, and here it is pH. So, so we'll get positive charge on this carbon. And now again we have water. So in the presence of this water, in the presence of this particular water here, it will attack on this carbocation, and here we'll get OH, H positive, and here O, pH. Now, now it's just simply this oxygen. It's there here, right? Over here. Let me change the color. This lone pair subtract one of the hydrogen, and it will form this OH, and it will become positive pH. So this will be OH. Now what will happen means, the bond between this oxygen and hydrogen shift towards here and it will form double bond O, and this bond will be breaks, and we here will get acetone plus phenol. So I hope you got this right. So this is what they have given. Here it is Q. This is the Q, acetone, and we have got Phenol, right? Phenol they have already mentioned in the question. So that's it. So we have got Q and P. P as cumin and Q is acetone. So option C is correct. So I hope you got this concept. It's a simple question. If you know the preparations of phenols, you can easily mark this answer within a seconds. Like you won't take that much time. But here I have explained in detail mechanism. So yeah, you can see the answer. You can check the answer over here. What this is first reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So we have got this cumin, and then in the presence of this O2 and heat, in the presence of water, we have got this phenol and acetone. This is the Q and this is the P. So I hope you got this question. In case if you have any doubts, just write it on the comment section. I'll try to make a video on that particular concept or topic, or else I'll give reply to you. So yeah, thank you. Just take care of yourself and prepare well. Bye bye. We'll meet in my next video.